What's up, everybody? And this is time for the second video of today, and it is between the KTS versus the Lions of South Africa League, of course. So, first of all, guys, I have already uploaded the video of Titan versus Warriors, and the link is in description below, so you can check out those teams as well. And of course, my battery is about to die, 5%. It's just I hope it works out. So let's move to the team directly. Here we are. The teams are, as you know, I have prepared two teams. Let's move on to team one first. So here we are. In wicketkeeper, I have taken Rudy second. And in batsmen, I have taken David Miller, Reza Hendricks. We have gone for four batsmen actually: Petros Van Biljon and Dominic Hendricks. In all rounders, we have gone for three. We have a whole range of all rounders, so you can choose from them. But I have gone from Chandler Van Skalvik, Vian Mulder, who has performed really well in the last match, and of course the first one, Dwayne Pretorius, of course. As you guys know, he's an international player and has got name and fame and has done very well in the South Africa League. And now, as far as bowling is concerned, I have gone for three good bowlers from the top three. You can see Aaron Fangiso, Marchand de Lange, and Buren Hendricks. So this is my first team. So now let's go for the captain and vice captains. You of course know I have gone for Rudy second as a captain because he also opens and has done tremendously well in the previous games. And for vice captain, I have gone for Petros Van Viljon. And of course, he was just unfortunate to be run out in the last match on just 5 runs. But I can assume that he's gonna have some good match today. At least we can go with him. And as far as other options are concerned, you can go for Dominic Hendricks, of course, Reza Hendricks, of course. But I will suggest you guys not to go for David Miller because he's totally unpredictable. As you know, he can play. He has made one century in before 2 or 3 games actually, but I can't trust him, of course, guys. You can also go for Chandler Van Skalvik, and if you are in a mood of a bit of risk, you can go for Pretorius as well. So now let's save our teams and let's have a preview. Oh shit, मैंने तो बैटरी की मार ली आज. So here we are. Rudy second as our captain and P. Van Biljon as our vice captain. Now let's head back to our second team. Here we go. In wicketkeeper, I have taken Mangaliso Mosehale from the Lions, of course. In batting, I have not make any kind of changes, and I have gone for David Miller, Reza Hendricks, Rossi van der Dushen, and of course one change with Diego Rozier. I have gone with him. And in all rounders, I have made a big changes. I have gone with Obris Van Epoel, who has done tremendously well in the last match. Scandal Van Skalvik, I haven't changed him, and Vian Mulder is the same as well. In bowlers, I have gone for no change, and it's Aaron Fangiso, Marchand de Lange, Buren Hendricks, of course. And as this is my team, now let's go for the captain and vice captain. And of course, I have again gone for the keeper as a captain, Mangaliso Mosehale. He is a good keeper. And for the vice captain, I have gone for the all rounders, and it's Vian Mulder. I am taking some risk this time, and you can go for this team as well. So let's save our team and let's preview it. And here we are. And as far as other options are concerned, so you can go for, as I already said, there is no big difference between my first team and second team. So you can go for Hendrick brothers for our captain or vice captain, or you can go for D Rozier as well, but don't go for David Miller. It's my just request, or you can say prediction, that he may not play well, but if he plays, I can't do anything actually, you know. So here is our team. Do not go for Ace Van Pol as well, as he's not that much impressive, I can say that. So this is our two teams. I hope you like my teams, and you can make these teams as your reference team. And those who are watching for the first time, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks, Kat. As you know, that your subscription is the biggest inspiration for me to make more and more videos just for you. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.